In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Instagram you've been logged out issue. If you suddenly find yourself being logged out of your Instagram account without any warning, don't worry, there are a few simple steps you can take to resolve this problem. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, tap iPhone Storage. What you want to do next is scroll down and find the Instagram app from this list of apps. Tap on it. And then tap Offload app. Then tap Reinstall app. When you offload an app, you are essentially removing the app from your device while keeping its data intact. This process can help reset any corrupted files or stored data that may be causing the logout issue. Reinstalling the app after offloading it will give you a clean version of the application, potentially eliminating any bugs or glitches that were triggering the logout problem. By doing this, you create a fresh installation of Instagram without any lingering issues that could result in being logged out involuntarily, effectively resolving the problem in many cases. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.